Morning. So it's currently 10 past 9 a.m. I'm gonna start packing because we're moving at the end of the week. So part of the packing is already being done. A lot of stuff is still boxed up from the last time that we moved. Today I'm tackling the clothes. The plan was we were supposed to move out of London this spring that just passed, but then with everything that has been going on, we ended up being put in furlough, and then we couldn't really go anywhere anyway. It's been basically postponed till next spring. Where we are at the moment is too many of us, and it became too much. We are going not far from here. Actually, it's like a 10 minutes drive from where we are. It's gonna be just 4 of us, and complete different people, people that we really get along with. So yeah, hopefully, I'm sure that it's gonna be way better. I'm too embarrassed to show you the situation right now because I've got like 2 massive rubbish bags full. We have to get in touch with one of those companies that comes and collect rubbish. We have like a few electronics as well that have to go. I'm gonna give myself till like 11:30, so it's about 2 hours of packing, and then I'm gonna start cooking. So I'm gonna have an early lunch. So yeah, fun times. Super embarrassing, but I decided to show you anyway. These are the 2 bags of rubbish that have to go. Plus, this is my old laptop that has to go. More boxes that Pavel took home yesterday, so that's how I can manage to pack up everything today, I'm pretty sure. This is all like part of the boxes. So we used to have a little table here. That's why all of my brushes and my skincare is sort of hanging in this space over the boxes. My 2 power hours start now. The best thing about clearing out drawers is like finding things that I didn't see in forever. At the bottom of one of my drawers behind everything, I found all of the wedding cards that we got on our wedding day. I'm dead. I hate packing. I really want to leave this house, but I hate packing. Good morning. So last day of packing, also because we have the guy with the van coming at 5 p.m. today. It's currently 20 to 10, so we have plenty of time. Because Yogi is at home today, we decided to divide and conquer. So he's sorting out downstairs in the kitchen, and I'm sorting out whatever is left in here. That is the boxes situation. So that is all the stuff that is being boxed up already, and more boxes to sort out. Let's crack on. It's almost 12 o'clock and the pile is getting bigger and bigger, and we have all this stuff on the bed. We still have to tackle under the bed, and I emptied all the drawers. I'm taking out the stuff from behind the drawers now, but I think like I got all the Christmas decorations, the stuff that we have to throw away. I feel very tired. My back really hurts. This is the 3rd day that we're doing like hardcore packing. The past 2 days I was by myself, and today and tomorrow I have Yogi with me. Tomorrow he's coming back here to clean. I'm gonna be unpacking in the new house. We just finished packing everything. I hope we're not gonna find anything else, because we keep going like, oh, we're done, and then we keep finding stuff. But I think we're definitely done. Don't you feel like even if we're in a smaller place, we have more stuff?
Yeah.
Than when we were in the bigger place. And to be honest, when we moved from the other place to this one, we gave a lot of clothes away. We had like, I don't know, 3-4 like 80 liters bean bags to give away, and we all gave it to charity. So basically what is left to bring downstairs is Yogi's wedding suit and my wedding dress. And this, we're actually gonna move before 5 o'clock. We called the driver. He said that he can be here between 3 and half 3. It's been freaking hard. It's been non-stop. This is why I'm a terrible vlogger. Yesterday I was supposed to vlog way more, but we were so busy. So basically we got the van coming to pick us up at 3 o'clock instead of 5, because we finished packing earlier than what we were expecting. and then we came to the new house, and then I basically spent the whole afternoon and evening unpacking till basically 8:30. So it was a bit of a day, and then we were just so absolutely tired, but we still managed to go to bed at 2 o'clock. Then 8 o'clock this morning I was already like wide awake. I don't know why. The mattress is just amazing. It's such an upgrade from the last one, and the room is smaller but has way more storage space. Like, I don't know if you can see it, you have all the storage going around. I unpacked all the stuff yesterday, and whatever we're not using, we put everything up here. The storage is very, very big. We have a lot of space. This is very temporary. Like, hopefully if everything goes according to plan, we're gonna move by next spring, but we really needed a new place because we couldn't live where we were before. I'm gonna put some prints there. So we have these prints that have been hanging around forever, and those are prints that we got in Paris when we went to Paris the last time. Because this video doesn't make a lot of sense, but Yogi requested to make panzerotti today, and to have them fried, so it's what we're gonna do now. I did my dough, and oh my god, Yogi, come and look. This is the dough, and it grew so much. I'm impressed. We're going to stretch it a little bit now, and I'm gonna do little balls, and we're gonna make the panzerotti, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make them. So we have our dough. We're gonna fill them with some mozzarella. I got the grated one because it's easier when we fold it, and some cooked ham and the tomato sauce. The water is basically, we're gonna wet the rim, so it's gonna be easier when we're gonna seal the panzerotti. So we don't have a lot of counter space, but we're gonna make it work. I'm putting it back. I put some oil in the bowl when I did the dough, and I'm gonna work it on it. It's very, very soft, so good. I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. Okay. Why does it all smell like farts when you open the cooked ham? Put a little flour. I'm taking the dough and I'm pinching. Twist. We're making a lot of smaller ones, but it's up to you. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller, you can make them sort of finger food like, and then I'll take it and you stretch it a little bit with your hands, and then you go with your fingers. Tomato sauce with our oregano and a little bit of salt. We spread. Don't go too close to the rim. Then I put a little bit of ham, and we put a bit of cheese. I've got my water, my finger, dip the finger in the water, and then go all along the rim, so it's gonna be easier when you have to close it. And then I'll take one side and fold it over and press. Your panzerotti ready to be fried. After eating like animals, and it's not even an understatement, I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I don't know what is gonna come out of it. I don't know how people manage to do like proper moving vlogs, because they're always so busy packing and then unpacking and then cleaning up. And then, to be honest, last night we were just so tired that I don't even know. I think I touched the pillow and I fell asleep. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you like the vlogs, and I'm gonna try to do more. This is pretty much it. Don't forget to like the video, share it if you want, subscribe to the channel, and ring the little bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video once a week. I changed the uploading video just to make it easier for me to film and edit, so I'm gonna upload on Sundays now. I hope you guys are gonna have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.